guys, welcome to a quick BTC update video. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to do a high time frame update. We're looking at the high time frame chart right now, and we're also going to cover today's trade shared in the group. Link in the description to join the group. So first and foremost, we didn't get the daily SFP of the key highs around here, which I shared yesterday. Idea invalidated didn't happen. That's just the way it is, and we are already taking this high. So that's cool. The other scenario played out. But watching how the daily candle closes today and how the momentum is looking, also watching how spot is reacting, this spot finally starts to really load off with shorts opening and longs getting flushed. I'm expecting a move down to 63, 63.5. Maybe even 62.5. That's just probability, and for now, watching how we react around here is extremely important. And we take level for level around, as you all know. If we again break above this high, the next major zone is the yearly VWAP and the key high up here. That's just, we take level for level. But for now, watching how we react around here, and if we can close today in the red potentially, I think some local correction is on the table and will be really helpful and really healthy to finally wreck some longs, in my opinion. So on my low time frame chart, I have a few areas to watch. I have watched this. That was my trader setup for today. Had a long setup around here, still valid to look for, and I have a short setup around here, still valid to look for. And also have some setups in here, which I share in the private group every single day. Short setup I'm watching, another short I'm watching, a long I'm watching down there, long I'm watching down there, and a long setup I'm watching here. But keep in mind, I'm going to stay flat for today. I share 3 to 5 or 6 of these setups in the group every day. Some days more, some days less, both key zones and scalp ideas. Today we had a scalp idea. I'm going to explain that right now. The scalp idea was to take out the current daily high, the session high up here, and potentially if we SFP under 1 to 5 minutes, I'm going to take a short. But that didn't happen. We didn't get a SFP, no trade taken because the plan didn't work. And if we don't see SFP when that's the plan, I don't take a short. That's just the way it is. On the 1 minute, bullish, bearish, no bearish reaction whatsoever. We got a bullish flip of the area. On the 5 minute, you can see no SFP. On 15 minute, no SFP whatsoever. But as you can see on the momentum is really bad. So my idea was to still look for a short, but I'm not going to chase the setup SFP because we don't get a SFP. The idea is invalidated, but I can still look for a short. So I share this idea in the group, and I also took this short in the group. You can see here price is getting higher with momentum getting clearly lower, but you can see the money flow is extremely strong. So that's likely some of it, because I love to see momentum with money flow following to get a reversal either up or down. And we also see shorts getting wrecked, shorts getting wrecked, shorts getting wrecked. That's pretty much how it's been the whole day, shorts getting wrecked. And that's when a short gets closed, liquidated, or stopped out. The thing is that triggers a buy order, and that's usually why we see these short squeezes and the other way around with longs getting flushed. So I took this trade in the group based on momentum and being extended from EMAs, making me inclined to look for a short, and that's exactly what I did. Took the short on a bearish retest of this equilibrium up here, got in quickly on BloFin, link in the description. Also got in on WEEX. I have major bonuses if you use my link. And I took out the risk around this green zone because it's a local flip. As you can see here, previous key resistance, getting flipped to support, support, support. And we act as support once more. And around here I shared in the group that this is key support and holding it. And some people may even get a better entry than me, because we retraced more than entry and then dumped like pretty good. So took out the risk here, and I closed the trade fully around the 1 minute EMA 200. Also confluent with this local key SNR zone. That was pretty much a trade, and I'm extremely happy about it. And after that, we made new highs anyways. So couldn't be better in my opinion. That was a trade closed in 3.1 hour realized. Extremely happy about that. could definitely be better, but could definitely be worse. And for me, my average risk reward realized after fee, slippage, everything is lower than 3R. Therefore, I took the day after this because I took the trade on my 2 main accounts, BloFin and WEEX. And I opened a scalp account, which I've been scalping on really low size on both BloFin and WEEX there as well. But that's way less margin. I'm just been taking it easy because it's a new day tomorrow. I'm ready to trade tomorrow, of course. I'm motivated like crazy, but right now I'm taking it easy and waiting for more price action. As you can see, I marked out the daily not confirmed because this is daily open, not confirmed as resistance yet. If we close below this area in some hours, it can be a daily resistance, but for now it's just a daily open. I'm just going to watch how price develops, and I'm going to share some setups in the group and on Twitter tomorrow. Right now, I'm taking it easy, and you should as well. Take the evening, journal today to trade if you took some trades. If you learned something good, write it down. If you learned something bad, write it down. And remember that the key to be profitable in the long run is risk management, not being right all the time. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the video tomorrow. Bye.